Hey guys, today we're gonna cook garlic buttered shrimp, and these are the ingredients for today. I like to use salted butter, so 2 slices of salted butter, a lot of garlic and onions, and of course the shrimp. This is about 2 pounds of shrimp. Okay, first we're gonna put both butters in. We need a lot of butter. Let it melt. Okay, we're gonna put in garlic and onions. Let that cook for a minute here. So we're gonna put in the shrimps now, and make sure you get the shrimps with the head, because all the juice and stuff is all in the head. Makes it taste better. Alright, there we go. You just keep on stirring it. Just keep stirring it until it cooks to that orange color, and the little bit of the soup will turn orange, and then we'll season it with some salt and pepper, or whatever you guys want. Alright, so you can see the shrimp is colored orange. That means it's cooked. And all the juice, the butter, is all colored orange. And it's ready to eat. So we're gonna flavor it with some salt. Not too much salt, because the The butter already had salt and pepper. And you could put whatever you want to whatever taste you want it. We like it with a lot of pepper. Alright. So I'm gonna mix that. Alright, so alright guys, so it's time to eat. Get the head out. Take the shell. Alright. And what I do, get some of the juice to the rice, and there you go. Good. Hope you enjoy your garlic butter shrimp, and I'll see you later.